Hi, my name's Joe and I'm a teacher that lives in England. I've been teaching on Outschool for over 2 years now, and I've got 150 plus classes, and I've taught over 5,000 students alone here in the last 2 years. It's been amazing. Well, one of my new classes is called Travel Holiday Scams to be Watched Out For, and How Not to Be Fooled, Tricked and Conned by Criminals. I love traveling. I'm really lucky to have 2 passports. I'm British and American. I grew up in the west side of America, but I also now live in the UK, where I went to university. I'm an entrepreneur, which means I own a few different companies, and those companies allowed me to travel the world. And by traveling the world, I've also seen a lot of tricks and scams. But I'm also a magician, which is kind of clever, happy, entertaining tricks, the tricks that don't make you feel like you've been robbed or sad. And so I've always enjoyed what a trick is and how to be conned and have it as a fun thing. But it's not so fun if it's done by a criminal who's trying to steal your money or something from you, right? So I hope you enjoy this class, and well, at the end of the day, take this class before something bad happens on the journey. It's a good one to know what's coming your way, right? Until then, take care. Bye.